Okay, first step, I remove the glove box so it's easier to get to. This is the blower resistor. This is what we're after right here, 2 screws. Alright, this is the old one. You can see the terminals are corroded. There might be some water intrusion. We may have to look into that later on. This is the new one. So, to connect the wires, I'm trying to do this and film it at the same time. Just pushes in until it clicks. Let me do it and get back with you. These back in until they click like that, and to take them out you just push this tab in and pull it out. Up here you push this tab in and pull the wires out. Now this goes back up in here like this. Alright, 3 screws, 2 on this side and 1 on this side. So put this bezel back on, push on get the driver's side lined up, and then the rest of it will snap in place. So start at the top and kind of guide in this driver's side, and the rest of it will snap in. I reconnected these power plugs. And now I'm going to maneuver this bottom piece in place. Almost done. Let's see if this is going to work. 1, 2, 3, high. Hey, it works. I'll finish putting it together. Come help, Pa, I'm fixing it. I'm going to put this cover back on in reverse of taking it off. It just snaps into place. When you're taking it off, just be careful. Use a little plastic tool, and for whatever reason the left side is a little tight, so just be careful when you're working it. So the right side pops out real easy, and then the left side you kind of have to work it a little bit, but just be careful that you don't break it. And then the knobs just push on. So that's the directional knob, temperature knob, and of course right now we want it cool. And then the fan knob, blower, speed. Oh yes, whatever speed you want. Ah yeah, it's working.